Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my amazing students, how are you doing? Are you ready for the English time? I hope you are always happy and always be ready to learn English with me. Now, we are going to study about present continuous tense and past continuous tense. So, in the end of the learning process, I hope you can get the learning objective of this material. What are they? First, you can ask for and give information about ongoing activities. Second, you can ask for and give information about ongoing activities in the past. Okay, my amazing students, after you learn about present continuous tense, let's study about past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? How can we differentiate it from present continuous tense? Baiklah anak-anak, setelah kalian belajar tentang present continuous tense, mari kita belajar tentang past continuous tense. Apa itu past continuous tense dan bagaimana kita bisa membedakannya dari present continuous tense? To understand it, let's watch the following video.
A. Look and learn. Hi Atika, how are you doing?
Hello Tigor. Not well. I had a bad experience last night.
What happened?
Last night, I was studying when someone shouted for help. Help! Help!
What happened?
A woman who lives next to my house ran into my house. Help me! Someone broke my window, she said. Then, my dad ran to her house to help, but he didn't find anybody. She said, I was cooking when someone broke my window.
My gosh! Did she lose anything?
No, but the window was broken and the food was burnt.
Pada dialog tadi, Atikah bercerita kepada Tigor kejadian di rumahnya tadi malam. Tadi malam, pada saat Atikah sedang belajar, ada seseorang yang berteriak minta tolong. Atikah bilang, "Last night, I was studying when someone shouted for help. Help! Help!" Ternyata, teriakan minta tolong itu berasal dari seorang wanita dekat rumah Atikah. Dia berkata, I was cooking when someone broke my window. Saya sedang memasak ketika seseorang merusak jendela rumahku. Pada dialog tadi, saat Atikah berkata, tadi malam saya sedang belajar saat seseorang berteriak minta tolong. Dan saat wanita itu berkata, saya sedang memasak ketika seseorang merusak jendela rumah saya. Kejadian ini sedang berlangsung bukan sekarang, tetapi tadi malam. Atikah sedang belajar tadi malam ketika wanita itu berteriak minta tolong. Begitu juga wanita itu sedang memasak tadi malam ketika seseorang merusak jendela rumahnya. Nah, kalimat yang menjelaskan kegiatan yang sedang berlangsung pada masa lampau atau kegiatan yang terjadi di tengah-tengah kegiatan lain sedang berlangsung disebut dengan past continuous tense. Lalu, apa persamaan antara present continuous tense dan past continuous tense? Persamaannya ada pada verb ing. Jadi, baik present continuous tense ataupun past continuous tense sama-sama menggunakan verb ing. Sedangkan yang membedakan keduanya adalah penggunaan to be. Ada dua to be yang digunakan pada past continuous tense, yaitu was dan were. Was digunakan untuk singular subject atau subjek tunggal, seperti I, he, she, dan it. Sedangkan were digunakan untuk plural subject atau subjek jamak, seperti you, we, dan they. Untuk subjek you, baik singular ataupun plural tetap menggunakan to be were. Jadi, bisa dirumuskan seperti ini. Subjek ditambah to be ditambah verb ing. Jika subjeknya I, he, she, it, maka to be-nya was Dan jika subjeknya you, we, dan they, maka to be yang digunakan adalah were. Untuk memperjelas bahwa kegiatan ini sedang berlangsung di masa lampau atau berlangsung di tengah-tengah kegiatan lainnya yang terjadi, maka dalam penggunaannya past continuous tense selalu berdampingan dengan simple past tense. Misalnya pada kalimat tadi, last night I was studying when someone shouted for help. Last night I was studying adalah past continuous tense. When someone shouted for help adalah simple past tense, yaitu cirinya menggunakan past verb, shouted. Maksudnya, pada saat saya sedang belajar ada kejadian lain terjadi, yaitu seseorang berteriak minta tolong. Pada kalimat kedua, kita bisa menemukan kalimat I was cooking when someone broke my window. I was cooking adalah past continuous tense. When someone broke my window adalah simple past tense dengan past verbnya yaitu broke. Maksudnya, pada saat saya sedang memasak ada kejadian lain terjadi, yaitu seseorang telah merusak jendela rumah saya. Now, look at this picture and answer by questions. What was your dad doing when your mother entered the room? Dad was making a cup of tea when Mom entered the room. What was Grandma Sue doing when your mother entered the room? Grandma Sue was enjoying a cup of tea when Mom entered the room. What was Baby Ben doing when your mother entered the room? He was holding a ball when Mom entered the room. What was Yusuf doing when your mother entered the room? Yusuf was sleeping when Mom entered the room. What was Cindy doing when your mother entered the room? Cindy was doing her homework when Mom entered the room. What was Evan doing when your mother entered the room? Evan was taking stamps on his book when Mom entered the room. What were they doing when your mom entered the room? They were sitting in the living room. They were doing their activities in the living room. Okay, my amazing students, from my explanation we can conclude some points. Okay, my amazing students, therefore my explanation about present continuous tense and past continuous tense. I hope you get clear comprehensions. Don't forget, always practice your English. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.